Today's pro tip. Yes, my people, good day. And another GM product today, another misfire today, and it is actually the ignition coil today. I triple check, make sure. But this is a little trick now. I need to get to the plug all the way in the back, which would be 1357. Number 7 I'm trying to get to. So not necessarily vertically challenged, but it is still kind of high up there. So let me show you a little trick for what I do to break everything down to size and make it easier for me to get to that plug all the way in the back here without having to you understand? Watch this. Alright, so this is what I do. I get this tool for the valve core and do this. So I do it to both front wheels, bring it right down to gravy. And then that way now I can work easy. And when I finish, I just air it back up. Alright, so you see now, before this was here, now it's down here. Doesn't seem like much, but now I can easier reach the plug all the way in the back. I don't have to and then go on your tippy toe, hamstrings be aching at the end of the day. That's my little, we call that. Yeah, today's pro tip. Have a nice day, bless.